Welcome to Make Made Simple. In this lecture, we are going to start from where we had left off last time. So the topic that we are doing were the aerodynamic moments. So for two-dimensional bodies, it is conventional to denote aerodynamic coefficients by lowercase letters. For example, CL is equals to L dash by Q infinite C, CD is equals to D dash by Q infinite C, Cm is equals to M dash by Q infinite C square. And here we have to note that S is equals to C1 is equals to C. Two additional dimensional quantities of immediate use are the pressure coefficient Cp equals to P minus P infinite by Q infinite, and skin friction coefficient, that is Cf denoted by Cf and is tau by Q infinite, where here we have P infinite is the free stream pressure. So moving forward, the most useful form of equation 1.7 and 8 and 11 are in terms of dimensionless coefficients introduced above. From the geometry shown, so these equations are the equations that we had studied in the last lecture. They can be formed such that the dimensionless coefficients introduced above like this. So from the geometry shown in figure 1.22, we have dx is equals to ds cos theta, dy is equals to minus ds sin theta, and s is equals to 1, c into 1. So this is the figure 21.22 that we were discussing about, and this is the chord c, this is the x and y coordinate system, and this is the ds that we had earlier studied. Now substituting equation 12 and 13, these two, 12 and 13, into equation 7 and 8, that is the first moment equation that we had studied earlier, and 11, dividing by Q infinite and further dividing by S in the form of equation 14, we obtain the following integral forms for force and moment coefficients. So these are the integral forms for force and moment coefficients. Cn is equal to Cn, Ca and Cm Le. So these are the 15th, 16th and 17th equation. Now moving forward, the lift and drag coefficients can be obtained from equation 1.1 and 1.2 cast in coefficient form. So thus they are written as Cl is equal to Cn cos alpha minus Ca sin alpha, Cd is equal to Cn sin alpha plus Ca cos alpha. So these are the equations 18 and 19. We note here that the equation 15 through 19, the aerodynamic force and moment coefficients can be obtained from integrating the pressure and skin friction coefficients over the body. So that's the equations 18 and 19, and we end here this section on aerodynamic moments. So thank you for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please do give a like, subscribe and share. Thank you.